Hello, this is Dharmishta. Today we will learn 4 tools of Photoshop: Spot Healing Brush Tool, Clone Stamp Tool, and Pattern Stamp Tool. Now, first one is Spot Healing Brush Tool. First of all, to open the image in this way, open, then select the image, then again open. Then click on Spot Healing Brush Tools. Spot Healing Brush Tool can remove blemishes, scars, spots, and other imperfection in your photograph. Then click on this, click the area you want to fix, or click and drag to remove the flaws. In this way we can remove flaws or spots on the image. See, in this way. Now next one is see Healing Brush Tool. Healing Brush Tool to paint with sample pixel from an image. See the thing. The sample is called source. The flowed area is called destination. This tool also matches the textures, lightening, transparency, and shading of the sample pixel. So first of all, click on this tool, then press the Alt key. Place the pointer on the image area to select the sample color. Then press Alt and click the mouse to select the sample. Here we will select the sample by pressing the Alt key and then drag on this. In this way we can draw this. Now next one is Clone Stamp Tool. Clone Stamp Tool, see, in this way. Clone stamp can clone or duplicate of selected area on the image. So click on this Clone Stamp tool, then hold down the Alt key. See, in this way. Hold down the Alt key, click the part of the image you want to clone and release the Alt key. Click and drag the mouse over the area you want to place the clone pixel. So in this way, draw a same clone in this way. So remember the thing to press Alt key. In this way we can use the Clone Stamp tool and make a clone or duplicate of selected area. Now next thing is Pattern Stamp tool. Pattern Stamp tool clone from predefined area of pixels such as a pattern. Means you can use pattern from the option. See, in this way, select any one pattern from it and draw on the image. See, in this way we can draw a pattern. It is by default given in your Photoshop. You just select from it as per your requirement and draw on the image by moving a mouse button. In this way we can draw a pattern. We can also change it. Here we change it